Mariciad CB asks, hi, Brad, how are you? I am a U.S. citizen and just filed an I-130 for my unmarried son over 21. How long could it take for him to get his green card? If you just did it, unfortunately, 7, 8, 9 years. N4VZ asks, hey, Brad, if you're selected for DV visa, do we need to provide some university degree equivalents to U.S. education system? If so, is there any specific form? You need to show you have a 2-year skill, work, job experience in a 2-year skilled position, or you graduated the equivalent of high school in America, not university. But if you're already in university, presumably university would only allow you into a university if you have the equivalent of a U.S. high school diploma, I would presume. And Steffi Baby asks a question on Brad Show Live Instagram account. I'm about to marry an American citizen next month. How long does it take to get a work permit and social security number? Congratulations. Should take less than 6 months for the work permit and social security number. Right now, coming in about 4 months. Quadjokes, I guess KWAJOKESE. Can I travel from Texas to New Jersey with a valid passport? Yes. I am loved. 75 asks, I'm a guardian for a child in Cameroon. How do I go about having him live with me here? I'm a citizen. You can't file for a child that you're the guardian of, and I am not 100% certain from Cameroon they allow adoptions or orphan petitions. Maybe there's an adoption, but then you would have to live with that child for 2 years. I'm not sure they allow orphan petitions from Cameroon. Temi Doken asks, how long will a VAWA approval take? It's been 3 years, and I have 5-year EAD. It takes about 3 years. And Bismarck I-22 asks, if one is inadmissible due to a fraudulent document, if one refiles and applies for parole, would it be safe to travel? No, because if you're inadmissible, you're inadmissible. So I would not travel when you have those issues. Hello, Brad. We just got our approval for the K-1 visa. We're waiting for an interview date. How long does it take? We've been waiting 2 months. I don't know where you are, but depending on the embassies, it could be anywhere from 2 to 6 months. Level up with CBD. Can you apply for anything if it was abused by a U.S. citizen boyfriend? There's no VAWA case for abuse for a U.S. citizen boyfriend, but if that boyfriend was arrested for physical abuse, then you can file for a U visa.